Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to ping your iPhone and find lost devices using Apple Watch SE 3. So in order to ping your iPhone, you have to open the control center on your Apple Watch. To do so, press press the side button of your Apple Watch once to open the control center. Here, find the phone icon with sound waves around it, and tap on it. Once you tap on it, your iPhone will emit a sound, and by following it, you'll be able to find your iPhone. Optionally, you can hold your finger down on this option, and if you hold your finger down on it, it will also enable the flashlight on your iPhone, which will make it easier to find it. Now, if you want to find other devices, you have to press the digital crown to open the app library and find this application titled Find Devices. Open it. And here you can find all of your devices that are linked with your Apple ID. And now, in order to find your iPhone, for example, tap on it, or any other device, not even iPhone. Tap on it, and then you can either play sound to find it, or by clicking play sound, or tap directions and get the directions to your phone. And if you scroll to the very bottom of the list, you can also enable the lost mode for your phone by switching this toggle to the right, which will lock the device and will allow you to leave contact information and a message for the finder of your Apple device. Now, in order to find your Apple Watch itself, you have to open the app library on the phone that is paired with your Apple Watch and search for the Find My application, and then open it. And now you're gonna have to find your watch on the list. For some reason, find a watch on the list, and then you can also play the sound in order to find it. So, for example, let's play the sound. Let's hear what it sounds like. So it's a bit quieter, but still you can hear it. Okay, it's becoming louder. Let's dismiss it. And you can also select directions and get the directions to your Apple Watch. And you can also, of course, enable the lost mode in here by tapping on the lost mode and selecting continue. Then lock this Apple Watch by entering a passcode. If your Apple Watch doesn't have a passcode, of course. Then enter the phone number, which will be used if someone finds your Apple Watch, and tap next. And then you can also enter the message, like the sample message that you see in this field, and tap next. And then activate the lost mode by tapping activate right here. And that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.